Welcome guys. In this video I will create a button programmatically in Swift. Here I have a blank project with empty controller. So let's go to its class, which is view controller. Here first I will create a button instance. So let's create the button. I have to set the title and background color of the button. So let's set the title of button and it will be button for normal state. To change its background color, use the background color property, and I will set its color to system orange color. Now we have set the title and also set the background color of this button. Next I have to provide a frame for this button so we can show this button on parent view. If I go to the controller and select this view, you can see this is our parent view. This parent view contains all the other views. We have to place all sub views inside this parent view. So we have to insert our button in our parent view. So let's use the parent views add sub view method, and here I will provide sub view which is button. If I run it now, you will not be able to see the button because we have to provide its frame as well. As you see, there is no button on the view controller. So let's provide some frame, and frame will be CGRect, which takes X, Y, width and height. The X and Y points decide at which point top left corner of the button will be placed. So I want to place the top left corner at 100 and 100 points. For example, if I go to controller, it will move from this from left to right 100 points and from top to bottom 100 points. So it will be placed at somewhere this point. And also I have to provide width and height for the button. For example, I provide width as 200 and height 50. Now let's run and check the output. And here we have a button which is placed 100 from left to right and 100 from top to bottom. From left to right is the X point and from top to bottom is the Y point. This is our width and this is our height. I also want to make this button as rounded, so I can set its corner radius as button dot layer. We have to use the layer property of button to set the corner radius. As I have the height 50, I have to use the half of this height to make it properly rounded. So let's run it again and see whether it is rounded correctly. Here we have our properly rounded button. Now I want to add some action to this button. So let's add action. We have to call the method of button dot add target, and the target will be self, as we are targeting the view controller. This self provides an instance of this view controller. Action will be a selector hash selector, which takes an Objective-C method. So let me define the Objective-C method first. Button tapped. I will use this function here, and the event will be dot touch up inside. Whenever you press button, it will execute code inside this function. You can run any code, but I will change the background color of parent view so we can see some action for button. So let's change background color of parent view. And I will provide its color value as system teal. Let's run and check its output. Here we have the button, and also we have set action for this button. If I press it now, it changes background color of parent view. I hope this video will be helpful for you to create buttons programmatically in Swift. So please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.